Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Calendly with AI to qualify meeting requests step by step clearly. To start configuring Calendly with AI for qualifying meeting requests, ensure you have a Calendly account and access to an AI tool like OpenAI or others. Log into your Calendly account on your desktop or laptop. Navigate to the Event Types tab in the main menu. Select the event type you want to configure for AI qualification or create a new one by clicking plus New Event Type. In the Event Type settings, scroll to the Invitee Questions section. Add a custom question that will help qualify your meeting requests, such as what is the purpose of this? Once the question is added, enable the option to collect this information from invitees when they schedule a meeting. Next, access your AI tool or platform where you want to integrate your qualifications. Create a scenario or a script that the AI will use to assess the responses from invitees. Ensure the AI can identify key terms or phrases that signify whether a meeting request is appropriate or not. Use an integration tool like Zapier or Integromat that connects Calendly to your AI tool. Set up a trigger in Zapier or Integromat for new meeting requests in Calendly. In the workflow, configure the AI tool to analyze the invitees' responses based on your established criteria. Decide how you want the AI to respond, such as approving, flagging, or rejecting meeting requests. Return to Calendly and configure your notifications to ensure you receive alerts based on the AI's decisions. Test the entire flow by scheduling a meeting and submitting different types of responses to see how the AI qualifies each request. Monitor the performance and adjust your questions or AI settings as needed based on the findings from your tests. Once satisfied with the setup, you can confidently use your Calendly integrated with AI to streamline your meeting qualification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.